Welcome to this video of completing your eKYC application with Invezt in a super fast and super easy way. Begin with entering your 10-digit mobile number and then click on Get Started. You will receive a 4-digit OTP on the given number for verification. Next, enter your valid email ID and click on Continue. Go to your email inbox, copy the 4-digit OTP and paste it for verification. Next, enter your PAN number and click on Continue. A notification will pop up as shown. If you wish to change your display name, you can do so by clicking the button Change or Proceed to the next section. You will now see the pricing screen. Your account opening is absolutely free. You pay a flat ₹10 per order across all segments, ₹0 for equity delivery with an annual maintenance charge of ₹499. Click on Continue and Proceed. Next, you will get the payment options. Choose the option that suits you. For example, if it is UPI ID, then just enter your UPI ID and complete the payment process. Just wait for a moment while your payment gets processed. And bingo! That's it. Your payment is completed in just a second. Proceed to connect to your DigiLocker and click on Yes, I agree. Enter your Aadhaar number and click on Next. You will receive a 6-digit OTP to your Aadhaar registered mobile number. Enter that and click Continue. Next, click on Allow. You will see a screen that shows your fetched data. Click on Continue. Now it's time to enter your personal details. Fill the fields as shown. Note that all the data relates to your profile. If you wish to add a nominee, click on the radio button and fill the required fields as shown. Note that you will need the nominee's PAN number and date of birth handy. Once completed, click on Continue. Next, add your bank account details as shown and click on Continue. Post which, you can select the exchange that you wish to trade in as well as tick the mandatory fields as shown. Up next is the document upload screen where you are required to upload the bank proof documents including your photo, PAN card, bank ID and income proof. You can upload these in a minute if you have these documents handy. Your last step is the in-person verification. Click on to start the IPV. You can complete the IPV via Digio as shown. It is easy and fast. Enter the security code that is sent to your given email ID and click on Submit. The app will take a moment to start your camera. You might be required to enable geolocation access and camera access. You can click on the red color Record button to initialize the recording process. Either write the OTP code shown here in a paper and show it to the camera or spell out the code into the mic. Next, the video will be processed and then you can click the Submit button to proceed. Your eKYC is now complete and the screen will show you ticks on completed steps. You can now click on Continue. And congratulations! You are now ready to trade with Invezt and start pursuing your trading strategies within 48 hours. You will receive an update on your registered email ID notifying you about the approval status. Hope this video was easy to understand and will help you in completing your eKYC seamlessly. In case you have further queries, write to ask us at invezt.in. Have a great day ahead.